Welcome back, guys. In this video I'll be showing you how to draw a tangent in AutoCAD. Tangent in AutoCAD is different from tangent the traditional way. With the traditional way, you have to do a lot of geometric construction, adding and subtracting of radius, finding the center of the distance between 2 points. But with AutoCAD, we don't need to do all of that in order to generate the tangent. Now, say for example, we wish to draw, well, before I do that, I need to get into something. This is basically the sequence in which we normally draw a tangent in AutoCAD. But must activate line. So first we type line, type L for line, followed by the enter key, or you could choose to select the line from the icon. I like to do the shortcut key, so I type L, enter. It will then ask me to specify the first point for the line. Remember, for a line we need 2 points, right? At that point I would hold down the shift key on the keyboard, then right click on the mouse, press the right mouse button, right click once. That will then bring up a dialog box. From that, you're gonna scroll down to tangent, right? Tangent. Once you have done that, you're gonna move across to either of the circle and left click where you want the tangent to form. All right. Say for example, if I wish to draw an external tangent, I know that for an external tangent, the tangential point would be someplace here and someplace here for an external tangent. So I would bring my I'll then bring my cross here up to this point, and you should see a little circle being formed on the circumference. I will then left click at that point to get this, and immediately the line will stop onto the circumference. Now, to get the second point, the command bar at this time will change and ask you to specify the second point for the tangent. At this stage, you're gonna go hold down the shift key again, hold down the shift and right click on the mouse. So shift key, press on the shift key, then right click on the mouse to bring up back the dialog box again. Then scroll down to tangent, then left click. Once you have done that, go across and click left click again at the point where the tangent you assume the tangent to be, and just like that the tangent line will snap onto this automatically where the tangent is supposed to be formed. All right, let me repeat the step again. So the first step is to activate line, which is L, enter. Hold down the shift key, then right click on the mouse. Then go down to tangent, left click for tangent, then go across to the circle, to any of the circle, left click to get the first tangential point. Then we need to go through this all again to get the second point. Again, we hold down the shift key, right click on the mouse, go down to tangent, left click, then go across to the circle and left click. Once you have done that, the tangent will be formed automatically. Okay. Now, what if you wish to draw an internal tangent? Same principle applies. If you wish to draw an internal tangent, again, we activate the line command, L enter or click onto the line icon. For those who forget, so you left click on the line icon, the command bar will change. It will then ask you to specify the first point for the line. In this case, we don't want a point. Basically, we do need a point, but not a definite point. We need a point on a circumference. So you're gonna, again, hold down the shift key with one hand, right click on the mouse to bring up a dialog box. Then go down to tangent, left click on tangent. Once you have done that, you're gonna go across to the circle and left click at an area where you assume the tangent to form, like here, left click here. Once you have done that, the command bar should ask you to specify the second point for the line. You will then go back and repeat the process. Hold down the shift key, right click on your mouse, then go up to a point where you assume the tangent to form and left click. Once you have done that, the line will automatically snap onto the point where the circumference is to be formed. Just like that. Yes? Now, what if you wish to draw a tangent from a point someplace outside of the circle? Again, you could start here or here. It doesn't really matter seriously. So let's start here at point P. Again, I would need to activate line. So I activate line by typing L or left clicking on the line icon. The command bar should change. At this point, it should ask me to specify the first point for the line. I'll then go over to P, left click, and the first point for my line will be formed. I will then go up to my shift key. I will hold down the shift key and right click on my mouse to bring up the tangent dialog box. I would then go down to tangent, left click onto tangent, then go up to the circle. If I want my tangent to form at the top, I will click someplace here. If I want my tangent to be formed down here, I would go down someplace here, left click. And once you left click onto the circumference, the line will automatically snap onto the point where the tangent is to be formed. Excuse me. And that's pretty much that for that. How to draw a tangent. Remember, guys, you need to practice in order to become competent. You don't need to know everything, but you need to know something. All right? Remember, practice, practice, practice. For drawing, practice of drawing is like muscle. The more you exercise it, the larger it becomes. Once you stop practice, you're going to lose it. Trust me. In AutoCAD, there's just too many things to remember. So you must practice. Practice, develop your competence and your speed. Peace out, guys. Remember now to like, subscribe, share.